Imagine a world where powering hundreds of thousands of homes with clean energy could be achieved in just a matter of weeks. Sounds like science fiction, right? But Tesla is turning this vision into reality with its groundbreaking Megablock system. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. At the recent Las Megas event in Las Vegas, Tesla unveiled not only the Megablock, but also the Megapack 3, the latest iteration of its utility-scale battery storage solution. But here's where it gets controversial. While Tesla continues to dominate the North American market, its global lead is shrinking as Chinese competitors like Sungrow gain ground, particularly in Europe. Could this shift signal a new era in the energy storage industry? Let's dive in. Tesla's Megablock is a game changer, designed to integrate Megapack 3 units into a plug-and-play system with unprecedented speed and efficiency. With a capacity of 20 megawatt-hours AC, a 25-year life cycle, and over 10,000 cycles, the Megablock boasts an impressive 91% round-trip efficiency at medium voltage. What's even more astonishing is its installation speed, 23% faster than traditional systems, and its ability to reduce construction costs by up to 40%. Tesla aims to commission 1 gigawatt-hour in just 20 business days. Enough to power 400,000 homes in less than a month. How do they plan to achieve this? By ruthlessly simplifying processes, removing unnecessary steps, and automating as much as possible. The Megapack 3, on the other hand, is all about simplicity and scalability. With a simplified architecture that cuts 78% of connections compared to its predecessor, it's designed for ease of service and optimal performance. Weighing around 86,000 pounds, it holds 5 megawatt-hours of usable AC energy and operates efficiently in extreme temperatures ranging from -40 degrees Celsius to 60 degrees Celsius. This makes it suitable for deployment in virtually any region on the planet. Production is set to begin at Tesla's Houston Megafactory in late 2026, with a planned capacity of 50 gigawatt-hours per year, supplemented by additional supply from Tesla's Nevada facility and third-party partners. But here's the part most people miss. Tesla's dominance in the global battery storage market is under threat. While the company captured 15% of the global market share in 2024, its lead over competitors like Sungrow is narrowing. Chinese firms are making significant inroads, particularly in Europe, where they saw a 67% year-over-year increase in market share. In contrast, their presence in North America has dwindled due to Tesla's strong hold and geopolitical factors like the Trump administration's tariffs. Is Tesla's global leadership sustainable, or are we witnessing the rise of a new powerhouse in the energy storage industry? To mitigate these challenges, Tesla has inked a multi-billion-dollar deal with LG Energy Solution, LGES, to secure a domestic supply of lithium iron phosphate, LFP cells. This move not only helps Tesla avoid tariff pressures, but also reduces its reliance on China-based suppliers. For LGES, the deal offsets slowing demand in automotive applications by pivoting toward energy storage projects, particularly for AI data centers. But is this enough to keep Tesla ahead in an increasingly competitive landscape? As the industry evolves, success will depend on companies' ability to navigate complex regulatory environments, adapt to local market demands, and maintain competitive cost structures. Tesla's innovations like the Megablock and Megapack 3 are undoubtedly impressive, but the rapid ascent of Chinese competitors raises important questions about the future of the energy storage market. What do you think? Is Tesla's lead secure, or is the industry on the brink of a seismic shift? Let us know in the comments below.